Hi guys, good afternoon. Ayun, so kararating ko lang guys. Nagpa-check ako ng eyes ko and then syempre ganun talaga. We're not getting any younger. So first time ko guys na kasi dati ginagamit ko lang is reading glass. So right now, first time ko magkaroon ng salamin talaga na doble vista. So, yung both eyes ko on the right, magkaiba yung grade ng eyes ko. So, pero pinakamataas ko is 250. So, tolerable naman siya, guys. So, bali, first time ko na magsusot ng salamin na whether you are watching TV, computer, and even though nasa labas ka, you're walking, especially when driving. So, hindi ko na kasi siya talagang mabasa. Dati-dati, I'm reading the Bible kasi maliliit lang siya. Pero past few days, hindi ko na siya mabasa. So anyway, thank you Lord at meron na akong salamin as of this moment. And then guys, don't forget always to follow my FB page and also my Lilian Padamadas Vlogs and my YouTube channel. And again, kanina sobrang mainit sa labas. But since kararating ko lang, medyo nag-lessen naman yung panahon. And it's already, it's 5 minutes to 1 p.m. Thank you, Lord. Nasa bahay na ako today. So yun guys, I'm thankful na may salamin ako. Thank you, Lord. And kumusta po kayo lahat? I hope all of you are in good health. And that's my wish to all. Always pray and have a good health. And of course, syempre, maganda naman at everyday, it's just like, laban lang guys sa buhay. So yun lang muna, wala akong masyadong masasabi except for thanking everyone for always like and also support me in my everyday journey in this vlogs. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye for now, guys.